Hello, welcome back to Engineering Sound. In this video tutorial, I will explain a Lisp command. It will help a lot during the work. If you have different kind of shapes like circles, line, polyline, rectangle, or any kind of shape you have, and you want to measure the distance all of them by layers, it can help a lot and it will make your work very easily. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, what we will do, we have this kind of shape in three groups like 1, 2 and 3. This one is 1, 2 and 3, and there is different kind of shapes like circle, rectangle and square and lines and polyline. So first of all, we will go to the layer property, and from here we will create different kind of three layers. We have three groups, so we will create three new layers. Okay, layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3, and let's change the color for each layer, so it will help to make it easily and simple. Let's make it blue and let's make it this color cyan and close. Now we will add this all to one by one to each layer. Suppose we are adding this one to layer number 1 and we are adding the number 2 group to layer number 2. Let's click here, select all and go to home and select the layer number 2, and number 3 group we will add to layer number 3. Let's click from here and add it here. Now our shapes is ready. Okay, so we have 3 layers and 3 groups we already created, and now we will go to jump and upload the Lisp. The Lisp link I will provide in the description. You can download it from the description. Okay, let's go to manage and upload application, and also you can enter from your keyboard AP for upload. And now you should to search your Lisp where you save it. Okay, let's open from here Laylenght. The Lisp name is Laylenght. Okay, let's here we will search Laylenth. This is the command. Okay, and now we will select this all 3 groups and click enter. The command bar will give you specification to specify your table area. Now you can see our table is created successfully and easily. Okay, here is column number 1 and column number 2, and here is the layers. Okay, go to home and check layer number 1 complete length you can see, layer number 2 complete length you can see, and layer number 3 complete length you can see very easily. So I have this drawing of topographical drawings. Okay, and I have a lot of layers, so I want to measure all layers length one by one. There is existing roads, plots, okay, and many more things. So I want to measure is from here. Go to upload application from here, and here is the Laylenght Lisp. Okay, successfully added. And now what we will do to select complete, and we will search Laylenth, Lay. Okay, y, sorry, yes, Laylenth, this one. Enter, select. Okay, and now we need to select this complete drawings from here. Press enter, and whenever you enter, it will give you to select your table area. So this one is our table area, column number 1, column number 2, and here you can see, just if you want to change the title, you can change it from here. For example, for the first, if you need to provide number 1 or number 2, or you can give descriptions, or you can give length for each one, whatever you want, you can give the name here. For example, description. Okay, description, and here you can give any name, like for example you can give length, or you can give measurement, or you can give a dimension, dim, anything you can give as per your requirement. Okay, so now you can see the layers. Let me explain it one by one. Okay, Here is our roads. You can see if you go here is the existing road. Okay, this is the existing road. Okay, all complete length is provided for the existing road. If you see the existing road in the layers is in the map, topographical map, you can see it easily from here. Existing building, boundaries, anything, whatever you want, the something. Okay, length, and change data type, change the value. You can click it here, change data type. Okay, it's changed already the name. Okay, and the next thing is that if you see this, you can select this all and you can do some changing in this. Once you select, go to the data format from here. Okay, and custom table. Okay, from here you need to go to the different kind. Let's go to the journal or the decimal. From decimal you can select a digit after point, how much point you need after the digit. So it will be 2 point, after point is 2 digit. Okay, now it's changed automatically. Whatever you want, you can change it from here. Go to decimal, and from here you can also give 3 after point precision. Okay, let's select it from here, and now it's changed automatically. So let's make it 2. Okay, 2 and click OK, and now it's changed already. Okay, so I hope it's helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye, take care.